Does anyone know how to factor out a repeated if/else structure? I have code that is in the form. There's code duplication, but I'm not sure how to factor it out. One option is a list of predicate, lambda, pairs. Then I could iterate over the list to find the first predicate that evaluates to true and execute the corresponding action. I would pair action with an always true predicate. Not sure if there's a better way, either in Python or functional languages in general.
Well, maybe it is not the most illustrative case, but I'll put it here as an example. Kernel maps are a powerful tool to simplify binary functions and can be applied in many situations similar to this. TLDR. Here are the truth tables. Rows are add values, columns are scenario on, S1, plus scenario 2, S2. First, 3 actions are exclusive and fully cover the input space. Now, the first table, 2 ones are together and can be expressed as. Second table, 2 pairs. The rest is C, but if we want formula it is 3 elements, right half, top row, and pair in the middle of the bottom row.
Try something like this, smile.
If you want the same way, the artichoke is substituted.